Hi students, now we'll find the partial differential equation from the function that's phi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. This is another model. It's a different model, but it is a very important one. Okay, phi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. So the function which has two functions again, inner function like u comma v. You can assume this one something u, this x plus y plus z, and this can be assumed as some v. Okay, now let us write this given phi of x plus y plus z comma x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Let this equation 1. Now let x plus y plus z as some u and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to v. Now what that equation 1 becomes here, by taking in place of x plus y plus z is equal to u and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to v, equation 1 becomes phi of u comma v is equal to 0. Now let this equation 2. Okay, let this equation 2. Now differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x. Okay, differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x. Yeah, so now you can see here phi is a function of u comma v. There is the inner function phi. It's a function where it is function of u comma v, two different functions, and u and v are the functions of you can see where what is u, x plus y plus z. What is v? X plus y plus z. Okay, x square plus y square plus z square. That is, it's a function of x by z. And but remember here, remember z is must be taken as a function of x and y, not as another variable. Z is a dependent variable. Okay, don't consider z as an independent variable. Z must be taken as a dependent variable which is the function of x and y. Remember, this is the most important one. Okay, now if I differentiate the equation 2 partial with respect to x, I will get an equation dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x. Okay, dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x. Okay, if I differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to x, dou phi by dou u into dou u by dou x, because we have to differentiate phi with respect to x, we have to pass through u. There is a middle, in the middle we have another function u, so we have to go through u. Okay, for that first we have to differentiate the phi with respect to u, and then we have to go with the u with respect to x. That is dou f by dou u into dou u by dou x plus dou f phi by dou v into dou v by dou x. Okay, dou phi by dou u into dou v by dou x plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou x, that is equal to 0. Okay, now dou f phi by dou u, so write as it is, but we know that you can write dou v by dou x from the here, but we can now observe u is a x plus y plus z. So what is the differentiate with respect to x? Dou v by dou x will be the derivative of x with respect to x is 1, 0. I told you already z must be taken as a function of x and y, so you have to differentiate this. Yeah, dou z by dou x. So dou v by dou x is 1 plus dou z by dou x plus dou phi by dou v, right as it is. Next, dou v by dou x. So v is x square plus y square plus z square. So differentiate this with respect to x partially. X square derivative to x plus this is 0 plus, I told you z must be taken as a function of x and y. So z is a dependent variable. So z square derivative with respect to x means 2z into dou z by dou x. See here, 2x plus 2z into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. That implies we can use the letter p in place of this dou z by dou x, p, and 2x plus here also 2pz is equal to 0. Let this equation number 3. Now differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to y. Okay, this equation. Okay, now differentiating equation 2, this equation 2 partially with respect to y. So this is what differentiating equation 2 partially with respect to y. Okay, now what happens? Dou phi by dou u, here dou phi by, so you can observe this dou phi by dou u, dou v by dou y plus dou phi by dou v, dou v by dou y. Okay, dou phi by dou u, dou v by dou y, dou phi plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y. So now here dou phi by dou u into dou v by dou y plus dou phi by dou v into dou v by dou y is equal to 0. Okay, now take write as it is dou phi by dou u here. Yeah, So now what is the dou E by dou y? Since we know that u is equal to x plus y plus z. With respect to y, we have to differentiate. The dou v by dou y will be 1 plus dou z by dou y. And dou v by dou y will be 2y plus 2z into dou z by dou y. See here. Okay. Dou phi by dou e into 1 plus dou z by dou y plus dou phi by dou v into 2y plus 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. Now we can write this in place of dou z by dou y q. And same here also. 2y plus 2qz is equal to 0. Now equations 3 and 4. Now eliminating dou phi by dou u. Just eliminate this dou phi by dou u and dou phi by dou v from 3 and 4. Okay, from 3 and 4. From equations 3 and 4. For that, just take the coefficients of dou phi by dou u, dou phi by dou v. From the two equations, take the coefficients as you take the determinant of that. Okay, to eliminate that, take that determinant of that. Okay, take the determinant of the coefficients, like 1 plus p, yeah, 1 plus p, the coefficient from the equation 3. Okay, dou phi by dou u coefficient, and dou phi by dou v coefficient is this. And here from the equation 4, dou phi by dou u coefficient, from equation 4, dou phi by dou v coefficient. Okay, take the determinant here, so there it will get 2 into 1 plus p. Okay, determinant 2 into 1 plus p into y plus qz minus 2 into 1 plus q into x plus pz is equal to 0. Multiply this, simplifying this, write this as a p into p plus q into q is equal to r form. So take the p as a like this. Finally we will get y minus z into p plus z minus x into q is equal to x minus y, which is the required PDE. Okay, which is the required partial differential equation. Okay, I hope you understand. Yeah, thank you.